Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a new tags in Notion. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to add a new tags in Notion. First, launch Notion in your web browser and sign in. Then, open the page or workspace where you want to add the new tags. This could be a specific project page, a tags list, or a dedicated tags management database. So let's say I've opened this page and that's a to-do list page. So I just want to add the new tags in here. If you're using a database to manage tags like a tags list or project board, just go ahead and open the database page where you want to add the tags. Okay. And that's going to be for an existing template. So I'm just going to use this for this existing template. So click on the new button often found at the top of the database view, which is here. And once you click on that, go ahead and create a new entry. So click on new to create a new entry. Then fill in the tags details like the title. So for this title could be database. And then you have to also fill in the others, that the client, the time frame, then the number, the status, the progress, and whatever you want to add to this. So once you're done, that's going to be it. So you can add a tags to a page using a to-do list, that's if you want to, but then this is just one of the ways. So add the tags here: the client, the time frame, the number, the status, the progress, and you can share or publish it to the web. And you can, of course, do more with this by customizing it to what you want. So I'm just going to all the way back to that. So I can just go ahead and click on this. I'll just head over here. So that's my tags, and these are my projects, and this is the database that I added over here under copywriting. This is the new database that I added, which is a new tags that has been added to copywriting. So the other steps that you can take is to actually use added tags to a page using a to-do list. So I can just open a new page and go ahead and click on an empty space and use the backward slash. Once you use the backward slash to open the block menu, go ahead and click on to-do list and select to-do list from the option. Then type your tags description next to the checkbox that appears, and then click on enter to keep adding more. So I'm going over that again, to-do list, and I'm saying run and pray. So just go ahead and do that. Just keep doing adding more options or adding more to-do lists as much as you can. So I'd like you to know that Notion allows for flexible task management. So you can use databases, to-do lists, or board depending on your needs. And if you're using a database, you can customize properties to fit your task management style, such as adding fields for priority, status, or projects. You can head over to templates and then just browse existing templates for you to see the one that suits you. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.